What's up, Drip Network? I don't know what to say, but Ray. This dude is still dropping misinformation to you guys over and over again. He's being optimistic about things that you should not be optimistic about. You guys check out this video and find out exactly what I'm saying. Let's check it out. All right, guys, for the sake of many of you getting scammed and having false hope and living off of pipe dreams, I need to re-up some information that Ray of the Bartertown Conglomerate dropped yesterday. Let's see, a day ago, and he says Forex Shark keeps the lights on for the animal farm. Guys, Ray doesn't know this. And let's see what he's saying in this video. And I'm going to explain something to you guys that this Ray character is clueless about. Okay, let's see what he's got to say.
The good news is that Forex Shark, the leader, has kept the lights on, baby. In the last minute of the last second, the clutch shot. He has kept the lights on. So as you can see here for the website domain, I believe it was.
See, he got quiet when he talked about the website domain. All right, we know that the website animalfarm.app has been updated, right? As of yesterday or whenever the case was, right? But he has no clue if Forex Shark updated this domain or not. It is highly likely, guys, that somebody else came in and picked up that domain. And why do I say that? Understand, people, that if someone owns a domain and they have hosting for that domain, once that domain expires, the website is inaccessible. And you get what we get when we type animalfarm.app, right? We're going to wait on it, and it's going to see that there's no connection. But what happens is all the developer or whoever owns the domain has to do is go in and renew the domain. Once they renew the domain, all of the DNS settings are still in place. So once it is renewed, the access to the site is immediately restored. Okay? Understand this, guys. Now, if Forex Shark truly purchased or renewed the animalfarm.app domain, you would now be seeing the website here. We're not seeing that website. Okay? So for Ray to come along and think that Forex Shark did this, well, this is showing otherwise. Okay? Understand what I'm saying? Access to the site should have been restored immediately. Also, in regards to, he talks about some SSL certificate or something like that, where that was renewed. Well, guys, some SSL certificates can be renewed for free. You know, there's not even a charge on it. And then there's the case where some instances you already have an auto payment system set up, or you might have funds in the account that the hosting provider will dip into just to automatically renew it. So having a renewed SSL certificate doesn't justify to say that Forex Shark has renewed the domain. Okay, so I just want you guys to be aware and understand that. Again, Ray of the Bartertown Conglomerate is clapping, making all that noise, trying to create some hype, and there's no foundation to that. He has no evidence whatsoever. Forex Shark is still ghost. He hadn't heard from Forex Shark. He ain't talking to Forex Shark. Yet he's trying to continue to drive you guys in the community. And I think he made a statement on Forex Shark coming through and doing another AMA and everything is back to business. No, that's for him. Guys, you need to stop following this narrative and stop following a false hope in Ray and all these other guys. Now, I'm going to go over to Drip Coach because he is going to drop a video. I just saw this morning. Is Forex running off with the bag? All right, so he must have some intel about what Forex Shark is doing. So you guys be sure to tune into that. That comes out later on today. Today is the 6th, so that should be released right before 1 o'clock later on today. And also, I want to share some information with you guys. I dropped a video yesterday saying that Forex Shark is either dead, arrested, maimed, burned out, or whatever the case is. All we know is that he's gone, right? And someone came through by the name of Wells Candy. Shout out to you, bro, for posting a comment and sharing with us what you've experienced. And I want to share this with you guys. Now, I haven't vetted Wells Candy. I don't know who he is, but he says this. I have slight info on Forex. He isn't dead or arrested. I don't work for him or anything like that either. I remember the exact day he left. He had a major argument with someone in Stunner Breezy's Telegram. I'm going to assume he left because he foresaw how Drip would end up and realized he couldn't save it. He also pulled out millions in Animal Farm before he dipped and probably left it to die. I can confirm he made over $15 million for whatever that is worth. All right, so he's saying that he can confirm this. I don't know how he can confirm it. Again, I haven't vetted him. I don't know who he is, but I'm just sharing this with you guys because some people may have some tips. So Wells Candy, anytime you want to dump some information, if you know his identity or whatever the case is, bruh, please come out here, post it in the comments so we can get this information out to everybody. Because if Forex Shark truly ran off with $15 million of people's capital, then people want to know about it. So if we ever hear his little squeaky voice out somewhere and can identify him, well, we know who to go in on. Okay. So also I went in on Wells Candy to find out a little bit more about him. I tried to do some looking up. I really wasn't able to find anything specific about him directly. But when I did a search on Wells Candy, I come to realize that this was some project. And I'm looking at it, and clearly it was a crap project that had some defaults. But I bring this up to show you, as I'm looking through this stuff, I see Drip Coach dropping something again about Wells Candy. And you look at this in contrast to the hype boys, you know, putting information out here saying, look at what Stunner Breezy, your boy Stunner Breezy says, Drip and Wells Candy can make you a millionaire. These are the followers or the influencers you guys are following, you know, spitting lies after lies after lies. And it turns out that there was an exploit. People running away with money. DGN system after DGN system after DGN system. And you guys continue to follow these influencers that are speaking and preaching nonsense to you. The only people that I'm seeing that are presenting the truth to you guys is Drip Coach and me, right? So why continue to follow these? How should I call them? I don't want to be insulting, but you know, they're pretty much I ain't gonna say nincompoops because they're smart enough to get you to follow them, but they're deceivers, right? And they're making bank on you, trying to refer you to these programs so they can make money off of it. You guys need to wise up. And in that regard, now both Drip Coach and I have combined to promote another project that you can actually generate yield in. And I'm going to reference this yet again. I have numerous wallets as well as many of you other guys. And as we're dropping these videos and you guys are discovering it, we're getting more signups on the regular, and you guys are able to experience firsthand how these wallets actually kick out yield. So again, I'm a quick reference that I deposited $50, $45 worth of Bitcoin on 27th of March. 6 weeks later, that $45 is now equivalent to over $108. Okay. And I'm gonna continue to do what I typically do as these credits convert into Bitcoin. I'm gonna just go out to the marketplace, see what the deals are out here. If I can buy some more, I got $7.42 worth of Bitcoin. I'm gonna just pick up some more credits, right? Because I'm buying these credits at a discount. Where can you go in any area, crypto, DeFi, whatever case is, and buy Bitcoin at a discount? It just does not exist. All right. So in doing this, I am continuing to increase my Bitcoin positions over the course of time, as you can see here, from $45 to now $108. And when more converts, of course, I'm going to go out there and continue to buy it. Now, these websites are available again on the high yield BTC or the drip to BTC. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to either of the sites. Also understand that this 5% is pleasantly deceptive. It is not 5% APY. It is 5% on your deposit. Okay, so that's a huge difference because 5% on your deposit can pay out in days, weeks, or months, right? Way before a year is over. So this has the potential to produce some degen yields, and it does so in a sustainable, safe environment so that you guys can actually generate yield as you use the system. All right, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.